Becoming an airline pilot is a thrilling journey, but choosing the most efficient path to get there can be challenging. With demand for pilots projected to reach record levels, getting there first and gaining seniority is crucial. Seniority as an airline pilot impacts your pay, where you live, and more. In order to have the career you've always imagined, you need a proven path to get you there first. ATP Flight School does just that. ATP's Airline Career Pilot Program is the fastest path to become an airline pilot, with the resources, training, and support you need to start today and gain the competitive qualifications desired by airlines. Here's how. First, complete the admissions process by applying for financing, meeting the prerequisites, and scheduling your class date. Once you start your program, you'll first learn how to fly and earn your private pilot certificate in one of the largest and newest aircraft fleets, reliably maintained by ATP's dedicated maintenance centers. Next, you'll earn an instrument rating allowing you to fly in all types of weather, a commercial pilot certificate, and a multi-engine rating, enabling you to operate complex aircraft as a professional. Along the way, mentors on airline pilot life are available to help answer your questions and support you. In 9 months, you'll complete the program with your commercial pilot and flight instructor certificates. Begin flying in your new career as a flight instructor and gain the 1,500 hours of experience required by airlines. During this time, choose the major airline you want to fly for and the path to get there through ATP's regional airline partners. Interview with your airline and start earning tuition reimbursement or participate in a cadet program to receive further benefits. While you work towards your goal, ATP's Alumni Association provides ongoing career support. After building experience as an instructor, you'll get to the airlines faster than your peers, so you can gain seniority, allowing you to upgrade to captain sooner and transition to your major airline faster, joining 20,000 successful ATP graduates. Your airline pilot career starts now at ATP. From zero experience through major airline pilot, ATP is ready to take your career further, faster, proven by more graduates flying for airlines than from any other academy. Request more information today to get started on your most efficient path to becoming an airline pilot.